Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is what I did on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We're getting our delivery of 15 yards of soil from Soil Plus. They were super helpful. I really like dealing with them. We did it all over the phone, got it all set up. Uh, they were like right on time. Actually, they were a little bit early. So this section of the video is sped up to 2 times because it's kind of boring watching the truck back up. But they came about 30 minutes early and it was awesome. How's it?
15 CTH.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, anywhere at the bottom there. Beautiful day down here.
Yeah, nice and cool.
There you
Thank
go,
you.
sir.
This is my favorite part. Never get tired of this. Is watching a dump truck dump its load. So I picked a spot that was close to a lot of the holes that we had to fill. We had 10 plants. Gio made 10 holes with his excavator. They were a little bit bigger than we thought, but that's what happens when you use the bucket. But they were perfect. So here's our mountain of dirt, and this is a mixture of red cinder, soil, and manure. So it wasn't smelling the most wonderful. You can smell that when you drive by a Soil Plus as you go from the airport into Kona Town. So the guy cleaning his truck, getting ready to leave. And again, I got it from Soil Plus. I would recommend them. Some people say they're a little on the pricey side, but it was really good quality, good service. I didn't have any problems with the pricing. I would highly recommend them. So the truck's on his way back to Kona with an empty load, driving up our nice red cinder driveway, packing it in a little bit more. I gotta pull that cane grass out of the middle, and I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do, as it's gonna be a long hard road filling up all the holes. So this section is time-lapse, and I tried to get a wheelbarrow but nothing would fit in the car, so I decided to use buckets, and this was brutal. So on Christmas Eve, I used buckets to fill the hole. So basically what I did was I'm using the Hugo culture technique where we pack the bottom of the hole with wood and debris and leaves, and then I filled it with the dirt, and then got our plant and filled it in with more red dirt. So that was my Christmas Eve. My hands were destroyed after carrying all the buckets. I said, screw this. I gotta find a wheelbarrow. So I went down to Ace in Ocean View and they had one, so I picked it up. So I finished the rest of the holes using the wheelbarrow. And here's how it came out. This is the first one. This is an avocado. You can see that I used silver oak leaves for the mulch. The next is a dwarf orange. So this is on the southern side of the cabin. There's a lot of weeds and cane grass there, which we're going to dig out. Coming up to the front of the cabin, we have the calamansi. This one we're looking forward to juicing with. Walking to the two silver oak trees where we're probably going to hang a hammock. This is a lemon. Always got to have a lemon, especially for all the cooking that we do, especially with fish. The next one is a blood orange, and the next one is a Washington navel, and you can see there's a little fruit on this one. Moving up to the end of this row, this is a Yamagata avocado tree. So apropos, since we use avocado wood in our wood carvings, This one is a Fisher Navel. And there's more cane grass and other grass there, which we got to cut back. A lot of work taking out all that. And the last here is our lychee. And this is at the base of the old driveway. Walking back toward the shack, our last plant is another dwarf orange. It's kind of in the shade of the Christmas berry tree, which you see there. I'm probably going to have to cut that back. And there's the shack. And here's a view of their property. Our pile of dirt. And that was how I pretty much spent Christmas Eve and Christmas. Thanks for watching, and aloha.